Buying this from the TikTok shop was the smartest decision I've ever made. I don't know who's making these deals, but it's normally $70 and they have it on sale for $34.99. That's 50% off. This is the Drio 4-liter humidifier. I've been running this in my bedroom at night and this has improved my dry, cracked, painful skin. It has 3 different humidifier settings and it even has a built-in night light and it has night mode. So it will turn off all of the lights and it'll run it at a low setting. I don't understand who's making these deals around here, but this is normally $70 and it's on sale today for $34.99, which is 50% off. I linked it in this video for you to check out, but they're constantly selling out, so don't wait.